In this video, I'm going to show you how you can round image corners in Canva. So you can see here's the original image and the corners are just pointy, right? It's a rectangle image. And here's the rounded image here. You can see with the rounded corners. I'm going to show you how you can do this real quick in Canva. Okay, so obviously go to Canva first and then go ahead and open up your project or create a new one by going to create a design. Once you're on your project, you then want to go ahead and open up the image. So go to uploads and then upload a file or just use any video or photo that you've got. I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to drag in this photo. Again, obviously use any image that you want. Now what you need to do is go to elements, and when you're on elements, you want to go ahead and do a search for frame. So search for frame, and then you should see here frames. Now these frames, you can go ahead and put your image on top and it will clip to the image. So you've got these images, you've got these circle frames, you've got rounded corner squares, you've got all kinds of weird frames that you can use. And now if you keep going down past the letters, you're going to get the very basic here, cornered edged rectangle. So this is what we're looking for. You just want to drag in, obviously, the frame that you want. This one has these cornered edges, and you can then get your image and then just drag it on top and it will snap to it. And you can see how it matches the frame. So here's the frame, but if you drag the image and drag it on top of the frame, it's going to take the frame's characteristics. So that's essentially how you can corner off your image on Canva. I hope that video helped you out.